Studio condominium unit ba ang hinahanap mo? Dali! Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Furnished studio condominium unit for sale. Selling below current market price. Location, Avida Towers, CM Recto Avenue, Davao City. Building, Tower 2, floor, 3rd floor. Facing, Ateneo de Davao University. Unit floor area, 25.25 square meters. At kung gusto mo ng karagdagang information at details, mag-DM lang kay Miss Angeli Yanke sa kanyang Facebook o mag-email sa kanyang email address revken@gmail.com. Ayan, kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? DM na!